Gentlemen, welcome back to the Gray Fox Mandem. On this channel, you can expect us to talk about how men who are entering this new chapter of our lives, namely in our 40s and older, and looking and therefore feeling our absolute best. I oftentimes look at men's clothing brands and I see how their design team chose to style certain wardrobe items. And then you and I have a conversation and we talk about how we can, potentially alter these choices to create a look that may be perhaps a bit more age appropriate. So if you didn't know already, I'm Carl, and today you and I are going to be talking about the brand Bonobos. Now, Bonobos is an American clothing brand that was founded in 2007, and it gained popularity for its focus on well-fitting, versatile menswear. It started offering pants designed to solve, some common fit issues for men, such as wage gapping and, poor thigh fit. In the last 17 years, the brand has expanded into a full line of menswear, including shirts and suits and outerwear, in addition to just casual clothing. And again, Bonobos is known for its hyper focus on fit. They offer multiple fit options such as slim, tailored, and standard in order to cater to different body types. Now, just so you know, this is not a commercial, okay? They are not paying me money for this. This is just one guy talking to his friends about what he may or may not like about a certain clothier. I'm going to show you 5 outfits total. There's 4 that I really like, okay? And if you watch the video to the end, there's one that I really did not like. So since it's winter of 2024, I thought it would be appropriate to take a look at their 2024 men's outerwear collection and see how their design team styled these jackets and coats. So let's see what they came up with. Bonobos Men Outerwear Collection outfit number 1. Here we have a charcoal wool car coat, which is typically mid-thigh to knee length. In this case, it's maybe a little bit longer than waist length. Beneath that, he's wearing a cranberry crew neck sweater. Downstairs, he's wearing some great indigo non-distressed jeans. For footwear, he's wearing some simple brown leather boots. A car coat is supposed to have a clean, boxy cut that allows for freedom of movement, especially while seated in a car. Its emphasis is on its practicality, so it fits really well into this casual, minimalist look. Just a couple notes. The sleeves are cut to hit just beyond the knuckle of his wrist, which, for outerwear, is perfect. The cranberry sweater is a great color choice for late fall, early winter. I would include a belt in this outfit. 1, because I'm a firm believer in the notion that if your trousers have belt loops, you should wear a belt. And 2, it would give an opportunity to show off some style points by matching your belt to your boots. That would solidify that color choice and also serve to establish those proportions better. I also have never been a fan of pin rolling your jeans. I think this may be a little too youthful for our age group and also may be on its way out of style. Otherwise, this is a great elevated casual style for any age group. This coat can be bought at the Bonobos website for around $328. Bonobos Men's Outerwear Collection outfit number 2. This is a Harrington jacket, very similar to a bomber with a few subtle differences. The Harrington jacket got its name from the character Rodney Harrington, played by actor Ryan O'Neal, in the 1960s TV series Peyton Place. Rodney often wore a lightweight, waist-length jacket with a distinctive tartan lining, and it became hugely popular. This led to the jacket becoming widely associated with the character, and people started calling it the Harrington jacket. A Harrington jacket is a classic, lightweight, zipper jacket with a distinctive style that has become iconic over the decades. It typically features wool, cotton, or polyester fabric, often in a water-resistant finish, making it suitable for light rain. A fold-down collar, sometimes with a tartan or a plaid lining, ribbed cuffs and hem, front pockets, and a zipper closure instead of buttons. Basically, most elevated casual jackets that fit our age group the best are either leather bombers or wool or cotton Harringtons. You should have both in your closet. So this gentleman is wearing a beautiful charcoal Harrington jacket over a forest green crew neck sweater with just the tiniest reveal of a white tee beneath that. I love that look. Downstairs, he's wearing some basic black chinos, black socks, and black penny loafers. It's a simple outfit, almost monochrome with the notable exception of the green sweater. Note that the sweater is dark, but still provides enough of a contrast to his chinos. Not sure if he's wearing a belt, but if he was, I'm sure it would be black leather to match his shoes. This is an elevated casual look and perfect for running errands or a casual date. If you wanted to make it even more casual, swap out the black loafers with some minimalist white sneakers. Those would provide a perfect bookend to the white t-shirt reveal on top. This wool Harrington can be found on the Bonobos website for $279. Bonobos Men's Outerwear Collection, outfit number 3. I mentioned earlier how every man in our age group should own a leather bomber and a wool or cotton Harrington, right? Well, we should also have a top coat similar to this. Preferably a dark one in charcoal and a lighter one like this gorgeous Camel Cashmere top coat. I've mentioned this several times on this channel before. I recommend getting your top coat a size up from your suit jacket. For example, I wear a 40 regular suit jacket, so I wear a 42 regular top coat. This gives me room to wear my top coat over my suit. Even when I'm not wearing my suit, I'll wear a bulky cable knit sweater underneath. Having a size larger allows room for you to do just that. Now this good-looking fella is wearing that beautiful camel top coat over a camel crew neck sweater over a simple white tee. Again, I love that reveal that gives. On the bottom, he's wearing what appears to be dark chocolate brown chinos. For footwear, black penny loafers. Just a couple of notes. I prefer my top coats to be a little longer, typically around knee length, but that's just a personal preference. Also, while the black penny loafers increase the formality a little, I think that some brown Chelsea boots would fit this look much better. I had to struggle to see the brown in his chinos because the loafers were pulling my eye in that direction. Some brown Chelseas would reinforce the more monochrome brown look. But overall, a really nice look that perfectly fits both a 22-year-old man like in the picture, or this 57-year-old man, or any man of any age in between. This top coat can be found on the Bonobos website for a very reasonable $499. Bonobos Men's Outerwear Collection, outfit number 4. The safari or field jacket has been a staple in men's outerwear since the 1950s, with their beginnings in the late 19th century. This style of jacket seems to somehow stay in style, while its popularity seems to kind of wax and wane. Different designers may make subtle changes to the jacket, such as whether to use buttons or snaps or zippers or a combination of those. But one thing that solidifies its inclusion into the definition of safari or field jacket is the presence of 4 front-facing pockets, usually with a peaked flap. This guy is wearing a brown wool safari jacket over a deep green crew neck sweater, over a micro-check dress shirt. On the bottom, he's wearing chocolate chinos. For footwear, he's wearing some awesome brown suede work boots. The boots, combined with the jacket, give this a real rustic look. He just needs his trusty golden retriever at his side to really bring it home. Nothing too much to say about this outfit, to be honest. The fit is great. The color scheme is great. Using 2 earth tone colors, it feels just at home in nature, really nailing the purpose and the look of the safari jacket. Some people may have a problem with wearing a dress shirt beneath a crew neck sweater. You know who you are. But I don't see a problem with it, and actually elevates this look a little bit, making it a little less rugged. If anything, the rustic, rugged nature of this look may limit where you can wear it. It would have to be somewhere less urban and more rural. But under those conditions, it's a great elevated casual look. If you're brave enough to try it, this particular jacket can be found on the Bonobos website for just over $200. Bonobos Men's Outerwear Collection, outfit number 5. All right, now for the last overcoat outfit. I'm going to show you this abomination and then do my level best to expunge it from my memory. When I saw it for the first time, I was immediately repulsed. Here it is.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Okay, that sounded a little harsh. Now, here are two other gentlemen who are willing to give us their opinion of this thing.
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the
Oh, right. That wasn't any better. How about this guy?
What the hell is even that?
So what that is a fleece jacket. Again, I was immediately turned off by the look of this jacket. Let's take a closer look at it, and maybe we can figure out why. There are no 90-degree angles on the hem, which I feel gives it a more feminine appearance. The material is a type of fleece, which honestly makes it look more like the lining of a real jacket. Like the guy made a mistake getting dressed that morning and only put on half of his jacket. It has snap closures, which I'm not usually a fan of. And it's got this weird breast pocket. Who does that? At least it's paired well with a neutral palette of chocolate brown chinos, some beautiful brown suede work boots, and a simple white dress shirt. Whoever the stylist was for this photo shoot, I feel for you, man. I feel for you. You're doing your absolute best with this atrocity that the designer gave you to work with. So what do you guys think? Am I overreacting to this? Or am I right and this thing should be thrown upon the nearest Yule log? All right, that wraps up my conversation regarding the Bonobos Overcoats Winter 2024 line. Did I get it wrong with this video? You decide. Next, you can click on this video over here where we talk about the next United States Vice President, J.D. Vance, and how he decided to sport the beard for the first time in that office since 1896. Was it the right move for him? Watch this video and you let me know. Take care, fellas.